In the second quarter 2021, Inwido delivered good growth, 19% organically, as well as the 9th consecutive quarter of improved margins, which I'm obviously very happy with. We saw continued good performance in our Danish units, a healthy organic growth of 15% in e-commerce, despite tougher comparables from last year, as well as very pleasingly a good profit improvement year over year in our Swedish businesses. We saw a good order intake in the quarter, up 32% from last year, which means that we closed the quarter with a strong order backlog, up 61% year over year.
So what are you most happy with in the quarter?
I'm very proud of the fact that we, despite some lingering COVID-19 impacts on capacity as well as efficiency, were able to surpass 2 billion SEK of quarterly sales for the first time ever, while at the same time posting all-time high quarterly operating EBITDA of 267 million SEK. I'm also happy to see the continued profit improvements in the business area North, as well as the fact that we were able to improve the overall profits of the group, despite some increasing material inflation in the quarter. Lastly, I'm also impressed by the strong recovery of our businesses in the UK and Ireland, who've seen some more severe COVID-19 impact at the back end of 2020 and the beginning of this year.
In April, Inwido acquired the Finnish company MB Center. What's on the M&A agenda going forward?
Well, we have ambitious growth plans for the group, of which acquisitions are a very important part. As such, we are continuously searching for and interacting with attractive targets, which has a value creation potential as a part of the Inwido family. Those efforts have been made a bit more difficult by the pandemic, but as those effects are wearing off, we are increasing our efforts in this area. And as we're able to travel and interact with targets again, I expect us to be able to make some more progress in this area in the year to come.
So finally, Henrik, what is your outlook near term?
We enter quarter three with a strong order backlog, which will obviously support our sales in the near term. Short term, we also see continued healthy activity levels in the consumer as well as the industry markets. However, with increasing inflationary pressures coming through, despite having taken resolute and swift action in terms of pricing to customers, we might see some margin pressure short term. Medium term, the hard-to-predict impact of society's reopening after the pandemic creates a little bit of an uncertainty. However, long term, we stand well positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for energy-efficient windows and doors as investments in buildings and homes across Europe increase to make them more energy efficient.
Thank you, Henrik Hjalmarsson.
Thank you very much.